Salesforce comes equipped with standard records that you'll use frequently with your CRM. One of the most common and useful records is the contacts record. Think of a contact in Salesforce as the who behind your interactions with other businesses and key stakeholders. A contact record includes important details like their name, address, phone number, email address, and details related to their business. It's also your central hub for every interaction. Every email sent, call logged, and meeting scheduled with the contact lives right here. A contact is also an important record for connecting to other standard records to create a 360-degree view of your customer relationships. Every contact is linked with an account record, which is the business or organization that the contact is associated with. As you build out your sales opportunities and service cases with them, those records will also be linked to your contact. Building out your contact list is generally where most Salesforce users start their CRM journey. Contacts can be added manually, but more commonly, you'll want to import them from a spreadsheet. Once your contacts are in, it's easier to start building out Salesforce.